Hi, welcome to the Freedom Academy. Today we're going to learn about 5 mistakes that beginners make when starting an online business. Did you know that most people do not fail just because online businesses do not work, but because they make these few mistakes before they even get started? I myself have made the same mistakes, and 1,000 beginners around the world have also made the same mistakes. So we are going to learn from them. Mistake number one, waiting for the perfect business idea. One of the biggest traps is waiting for the perfect business idea. So you're like, maybe I should do YouTube, or maybe I should do affiliate marketing, or maybe I should do drop shipping, or maybe I should start selling digital products. So you just confused. Did you know that most entrepreneurs around the world did not start with the business that they're doing right now? Like YouTube channel started it used to be a dating website. Amazon used to sell books, and so on and so forth. So what do? You do not wait for the perfect idea. You choose, or you look for something that you love doing. You look for something that you like, and then you start from there, and then you grow from it. You go bettering yourself, right? Mistake number two, buying too many courses. One of the biggest mistakes that beginners make is thinking that the next course is gonna have their secret, or is gonna be the one. So they end up buying a YouTube course, an AI course, an affiliate marketing course, and then what? Nothing happens. So you end up overwhelming yourself with all information and spending so many dollars buying these courses without even making $1 from them, right? So what do? You approach one course, you finish it, you watch it until the end, you practice it, and then you implement it. At least you start earning from it before you go to the next course, not buying so many courses or too many courses all at once. Mistake number three, trying 5 business models all at once. So on Monday, you have a YouTube channel, you're doing YouTube. On Tuesday, you're doing affiliate marketing. On Wednesday, you're doing drop shipping. On Thursday, you're building an AI agency. On Friday, you're doing trading. So you don't know where you stand. You don't know where you belong, right? It is a biggest mistake you can ever do, not knowing what you're doing exactly. Even if someone asks you, what do you do online? You don't even know. Or do you belong to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, or Friday? And so on and so forth. So what is the best idea today? Choose one business. Don't do all of them at the same time. Just choose one and give it your all. Give it at least 90 days before you start the next one. At least 90 days. So by these days, by the 3 months, you're gonna watch it, you're gonna improve it, you're gonna change wherever needs to be changed. And then at least when you start the next one, you will have learned from the previous one. Okay, all right. Mistake number four, not taking action. So you might have learned from the YouTube. Yeah, you watched YouTube videos, you have read books, you have taken courses here and there, but you're doing nothing. So you're just consuming, but you're not giving it out. You're not giving out. You're not making it of use. You're just feeding yourself with information, but you're not helping anyone. So our my aim is like, when you consume this information, and then you're gonna give it out so that you can help other people who need help. People need information. People need practical skills, right? To know where to start. So the moment you get this information, you have to take action so that you will help someone else, right? Mistake number five, quitting too early. So today you have started the business, you're selling digital products, you have opened a shop, an online shop, you're selling digital products. But then next week you're like, maybe this is not for me. You have started a YouTube channel. After 2 weeks, you're like, maybe this is not working. So you have to give yourself time. You have to be consistent. You have to know that millionaires are not built overnight. You have to know that businesses do not grow overnight. You need time. Give yourself time. Give it time. Be consistent, and at the end, you're gonna see the fruits, right? You're gonna reap what you sow. I think that is it. That was my 5 mistakes that most beginners make before they even start an online business. So we have said, don't wait for the perfect idea. Don't buy endless courses. Don't chase every opportunity. Don't stay stuck learning forever, and don't quit too soon. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I thank you for the few minutes that you have spent with me. Remember, freedom is not something that you find, it is something that you build. And now, God bless you. See you on the next one.